too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Playing life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who gotta figure it out. Just buy me a new car.
Hi guys, so I just finished preparing and I'm just gonna be waiting for my friend who's going to pick me up. And I also got my original copy of Enma Results. So I think I'm just gonna open it right now before we go. I got 96. We're here in LU. Char! Ang outfit ay for LU.
Hi.
He's back.
Ang outfit? Uy! Libre!
Sige, dalawa na lang.
Dalawa isang tao. Can I have the manager's choice? Ako wala na. Okay. Okay na po kami.
Basic lang.
Yung gusto ko.
Opo. Ano yung nasa baba, kuya?
Hindi siya 5K. Hindi sa loob tayo. Kung bukas.
Hi guys! We're here by the reef. By the reef. Yeah.
This one, this is that.
Oh. Asan na ang ano mga person?
Be, cloud chase muna, be.
Okay.
Oh.
Tapos may tao, no?
Gagabi, hindi ka kita.
Baka pwede mag-order mo na.
Ba't ka nagpata? Be, debu. Ang cute ng dogs.
Ang peaceful.
Umuulan na daw, mag-ingat.
Sa kandon?
Showing Cesar. Hindi ba tayo, guys?
Oh, mag-check-in ka na.
Check-in tayo. Tara. 10K lang yan.
Ano, i-smile siya, oh.
Sino yung kausap?
Yes!
Happy birthday, Belle.
Hello!
Hi. What's your name?
Tapos ka na? Ilig-ilig natin.
Sa'yo yan, be.
Ay, akong saan yung iyo?
Yan. Very intimate daw. Intimate birthday party. Hey.
Pagod ko? Or
Sige,
kaya
go.
ako maala?
Kaya nga.
What's your aesthetic?
Oh,
Sige, yun
What's your
na.
direct
picture din tayo, Lee.
In life? Never mind.
Wala, may dalawa.
Book signing po. Gusto ko yung may iiyak ako. Ibig sabihin may nakaipit na 1K. Ganun. Thank you. YouTube exposure. May pinapanood ko pa rin. Ay, hello po!
Sir, yung grade friends po, separate po ba yung grade po?
Okay, guys.
Happy birthday!
Responsible cloud chaser itong mga ito.
Siyempre, yung binayaran mo. May proof dapat. Ang sipag na i-edit yung mga...
Oo, thank you. May cut-cut talaga. Yung first na ano niya.
Hindi. Nagsasalamin pa daw siya. Hindi yun. Teka, doon ito. Cheers, cheers. Diyan. Nakuha ko yung wasang. Sarap.
Sarap, no?
Kelly, let's go inside. Kelly, let's go. Bye. here we are. Buksan ko na yung laptop. Natanggap ako. I'm accepted.
Similar situations in the future. As humans, we inevitably encounter challenges, but it's within typical semester breaks for academic advancement. While it meant foregoing regular vacations, discuss a book, article, or experience that has significantly influenced your perspective on medicine.
Going to PLM now because it's 12 and my interview is at 1:30.
Agents niya parang mas madali siyang gawing OOP compared
Put on your coat.
Yes.
Do this bone scan for me on 1. Yes.
Hi guys, so it's 5 na ata, I think. Oh, magsi-6 na. And ang ganda ng lighting pa rin dito sa Airbnb. And I'm just relaxing. Hello. Hello. Aray ko. Panamgan?